Hello, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Happy Tuesday. If you are here in the chat, say good evening para alam ko kung sino yung mga nandito. We are starting a bit early today. It is currently Tuesday, June 3. It's the second day of the month. And we have news, guys. Meron tayong ADP non-farm payroll, which is already finished. And then tomorrow we have ISM. Actually, is it? I don't think tama to. Yeah, we only have JOLTS today, guys. Meron lang tayong JOLTS job openings. Bukas pa yung ADP non-farm payroll and ISM services. So, it's NFP week. We have a lot of volatility ahead of us. So, make sure that you stay safe in the market and preserve your capital if you are not yet confident. We still have a lot of days ahead of us. So, yeah, guys, without further ado, let's do my pre-market analysis. So let's do it now. On the dollar right now, daily time frame, I feel like dollar has been difficult to read lately for me, at least. Yung mga candle opening are a bit weird. Like, nagpo-form tayo ng mga gap. So we still have this BPR, we still have this drawn liquidity to the downside. But this is a monthly key level. Maybe hindi natin balikan to. Right now, we're just retracing the whole move from yesterday. What if this is the low of the week? Diba? Nagkaroon tayo ng gap to the downside. We push lower. And then, ever since then, we're just pushing higher. To me, what this looks like is that intraday, para sa akin, this is bullish. We started to have a gap here. We lived that gap and then we push higher. Meron din tayong fair value gap here. If anything today, I would say I am pretty bullish on the dollar, even though on the daily, medyo bearish yung market na to. But to me, I like it bullish at the moment. Maybe we go back here, add tayo ng alert, or maybe mag-form tayo ng SMT at this key level. Baka i-take out natin tong liquidity and then mag-form tayo ng SMT dito. For me, I'm bullish until we are above this level. Kapag na-disrespect tong OB na to, then I'm gonna be bearish on the dollar again. But for now, what I'm looking for is SMT with EU or GU inside this level para magkaroon ng bullish momentum. So, we'll see, no? If we are going short, I would say mas bearish itong si EU right now based on intraday movement. So, if anything, this is the same level na pwedeng balikan ng market. So, add tayo ng alert. These are areas na pwedeng maglagay ng short position if we are long on the Nasdaq. And yeah, 1 hour key levels din pala itong mga to, FVGs. 1 hour FVGs. We still have small FVG here as well. So 15-minute, we have this order block. Okay, sige, ano natin tong order block. Pwedeng magkaroon ng SMT here. So, monitor ko lang to, i-monitor ko lang. On the daily, this is still bullish on the GU. But, I don't know, we'll find out. Meron din tayong SMT sa daily time frame on this highs. So, may SMT, no, to the downside. It's gonna be interesting day. Itong si USD CAD, if I am bullish on the dollar, this one should be bullish as well. So, this is a POI for me. Itong level na to, itong FVG na to. But if I am really bullish, I would just target this both buy side. Mas bullish itong si USD GPY. For me, this is bearish, to be honest. If we are going short, mas prefer kong i-short itong si USD JPY. Especially, we have a lot of liquidity downside. Meron tayong double bottom or triple even. Mas prefer ko na balikan ng market itong level na to. Itong low end ng fair value gap sa daily time frame kay USD JPY. But I'm not good at trading trading this pair, so I would be selective, I would say. Maybe balikan niya tong high na to. If bearish yung USD. High ng alert. So yeah, those are my foreign currencies. How about gold? Gold right now, to me, gold is still bullish. Bullish pa din si gold, even though si Nasdaq is, I feel like this is not gonna go even lower. Meron tayong huge inefficiency here, but because of this sweep of liquidity to the downside, and then nag-push tayo higher, I would prefer gold to trade higher from here. If anything, I would like to see another leg higher. Meron tayong BPR and unicorn right now with gold. I think this is a good place. Good buy in my opinion. Breaker. Oh, BPR. Target siguro itong high na to. Itong Asian midpoint. May breaker tayo. Ganda ng confluence ng gold. I think we will push higher kay gold later on. Now, let's go to my favorite pair, the Nasdaq. Nasdaq and the ES. So yesterday, the bias was on point. Sinabi ko sa stream na bullish ako kay Nasdaq for the rest of the day, pero gusto ko sana ma-fill tong fair value gap na to muna bago paangat. But hindi yun nangyari. We might revisit this low today. If we revisit this low, I think there's a chance na magkaroon tayo ng mini pump on this fair value gap. Right now, mas prefer ko if mag-trade muna yung market on this fair value gap, either ES or Nasdaq, before tayo mag-continue to the downside. Yun yung bias ko going into today. So we'll see what's gonna happen at the market open. Bullish ako on this just because of how the daily candle printed. Gusto ko ng bullish continuation higher, pero for me to engage in a bullish continuation, mas prefer ko muna sana ng retracement sa market. I feel like this one is too aggressive. If ganito kalala na retracement, we might not get that anymore given na meron tayong 1 hour inefficiency here sa bullish order block. So we'll see, no? We have to measure kung ano ba yung market movement at the market open. Good evening. Nag-dump ng 8:30. Really? Did it? I haven't checked the 8:30 yet. Fine ng chan ko, guys. I think I have to go to the bathroom and I will be back. Alright, guys, bathroom break. BRB. Okay guys, I am back. Hold lang, anuin ko lang yung chat. Yuki, same tayo bias, checking entry or copy na lang kita. Don't copy my trades. You will get burned, guys. You will get burned. Copying is not the good way of trading. Just don't copy my trades. You will get burned. You may get an idea kung ano yung tinitingnan ko, but don't copy my trades. You need to be an independent thinker, guys. Kailangan nyo maging independent. Like, kailangan nyo yung maging independent and not let other people do the financial decision na gagawin nyo. That's how you get successful, not by copying trades or signal botting. It's not sustainable. Hello, Harvey. What's up? Good evening. Good evening, guys. So yeah, guys, we have this 1 hour FBG, like I said. Baka hindi na natin balikan to. If we accelerate way lower, then I would anticipate this level. Pero right now, I'm leaning more towards bullishness sa market. Maybe abot tayo hanggang dito sa taas. To standard deviation of the Asian range. We'll find out. Yesterday was a big range already. So I'm not quite sure if we will have this another leg higher. We'll find out. We'll find out at the market open. Gonna take this low, probably requesting payout last June. Just focus on taking a good trade, Harvey. No need to rush. Just focus on taking a good trade. No need to check kung kailan ka makakuha ng payout. Just let it out. Let it set up. Just keep taking a good trade. Good evening, Sheltong. Good evening, Yan Navarro. What's up? Good evening. Asian high is taken na pala. Yeah, it is. And we still have this is a 1 hour time frame, by the way. We still have this 1 hour FVG. Tapos meron tayong 4 hour gap na napakalaki dyan. Napakalaki ng 4 hour gap sa ES. What about the YM? YM, ito, hindi ko alam ano to, but daily bearish for value gap tayo kay YM na malaki, no? So, meron tayong 50% of wick. Pero yung YM mo, it looks like it's poised to break out higher. Daming wicks to the downside inside this daily for value gap. I feel like this is gonna go blast through higher. Parang feeling ko today YM is a good pair to trade. So, maglagin lang ako sa trade of 8 kasi just in case YM yung gusto kong i-trade. Kapag si YM ang iti-trade ko today, I need to be able to calculate the lot size or contract size. Hindi ako marunong mag-calculate, so I will use TradingView if ever. Or calculation of risk. Mukhang angat si YM hanggang dito sa PDH or Thursday high or previous week high. We'll find out. Patience and grid. I can trade kapag A+ nakukuha ko talaga. Ipapasok ko, hindi yan 1 minute, 1M mo, 5M ako. Okay. Good evening, Les. RB, I agree with you. Revenge trading sometimes, can ruin your day or your profitability. So yeah, guys, pre-market ready na ako. Pre-market ready. I'm just waiting. Waiting is the key right now. And by the way, mamayang 10, iiwan ko kayo, pero iiwan ko yung stream ko na nakabukas. Okay? Maglalagay ako ng background music. Meron lang akong kailangan attend and I won't be here during 10 o'clock hanggang 10:30 siguro or 11. But I will leave my stream. Guys, open. Dapat di ako mag-i-stream today pero ayoko masayang streak. Alam mo, I was up 595. Then I set another for fun trade. Tapos binalik ko sa market. Syempre, di ako papayag. So, Dang, GG. Yes, it's those little thoughts sa utak mo na, uy, try ko lang to, mukhang madali lang to. Ilaki ko na lang yung risk ko, konti lang yung profit, mag-work siguro to. Then, the next thing you know, you give back everything and then you'll be in a rabbit hole when you're not lucky. Kapag nag-revenge trade ka, meron liquidity parang nung Friday, baka abutin. Okay, Friday. I think Friday high was taken out. Ito yung Friday. Ito yung Thursday. ES, Friday na taken out na din. We have Thursday, not Friday. Thursday high, not Friday. I think ES, guys, is aabot siya dito sa taas. Right? I think that's the ES. Oh, wow. We have the dollar pushing down dito sa fair value gap na sinasabi ko. At this point, you know, it's gonna be New York Open. I would prefer it to trade back into this OB. Pag nag-trade back tayo into this OB, hanap ako ng SMT. And I may trade either Euro or the GBP. Euro or the GBP. I think monthly open is a good target. Monthly, mas weak ngayon si Euro based just on intraday movement. Minus 0.77 ang Euro, but GBP is minus 0.2. But if we look at the daily SMT, ang GU ang nag-fail mag-create ng higher high. Right? Meron siyang double top almost. Yeah, we have double top. But on Euro, we have 3 drives pattern. So, what does that mean? We will find out, chat. We will find out. If nag-flip tayo on the GU above this level, if we hit this level on the GU, I do believe na we might run this high for another leg higher. But for now, mas prefer ko yung bearishness on the EU. Even though on the daily, itong si dollar, bearish na bearish siya eh. But I don't know, this is a major low na I'm not sure if babalikan kaagad ng market. Pwede tayo magkaroon ng Tuesday low of the week. We will see, chat. We will see. But for now, everything on the daily is pointing towards bearishness. Bearish FVG, bearish OB. Pero ayoko lang yung fact na nag-iwan siya ng double top na ganito. Ayoko tong candle na to. I feel like this is not for me. I feel like this is not yet the dumb. We need more. Pa-check ng NBG. What is NBG? Naranasan ko yan kahapon during London session, yung revenge trade bossing. Grabe, LS ko nun 6 ata. Dang, sorry to hear that. Because you said what I've said bar for bar. Laki ko lang contract size sa slit SL. Dang, yeah. Good evening, AJ. Good evening. I mean, it's part of the game, you know. Sometimes those emotions are a little freaky. But you just have to manage them going forward and do better. For me, like, the biggest thing is what makes me tilt. Ano yung nagpapatilt sa akin? So, I try to avoid the trigger first para hindi ako mapunta sa ganong situation. Kasi guys, hindi ka naman basta-basta mapupunta sa tilt eh. Yung tilt, it's not something that is happening by accident. I think there is a key factor what makes you tilt. It's either that is technical error, maybe you are going into a chart with a baggage, maybe you got top tick, baka na-hit yung SL mo, then it goes in your favor, stuff like that. But yeah, it's something that you have to answer for your own. So yeah, there's different kind of tilt. It's sometimes the market is playing with you, na-hit yung SL mo, then it goes in your favor. Sometimes limit orders mo hindi na fulfill by 1 tick, 2 ticks, 1 pips. What else? Human error. For example, na-aksidente kang nag-trade ng 5 contracts instead of 1. So that can happen. Minsan akala mo nagma-micro ka pero nasa mini ka pala. Instead na mag-trade ka ng 10 micro, na place mo 10 mini. What else? going into a chart with a baggage. So for example, you have a daily routine. You have a daily routine na ginagawa mo daily, but for some reason, personal life happens. Di mo nagawa. Nawalan ka ng internet. Nag-brown out sa inyo. Then you try to chase the market without exercise, without pre-market analysis. Pumunta ka 9:30 open, hindi ka pa nag-higher time frame, hindi ka pa nag-top down, and then you try to place a trade. I think tilt ko comes from trailing drawdown. Ayoko talaga mag-below 2.5 trailing drawdown ko. 10 minute. One tick is delete yan. I think you have to do something about that, Harvey, kasi it's normal not to be at 2,500 trailing drawdown. It's tough to mahirap i-maintain yung being in 2,500 trailing drawdown. Especially, it means kailangan mong sunod-sunod na winner. Nakaka-tilt din is yung muntik na ma-hit yung take profit mo and then it reverses fully. Maubos yung drawdown mo sa mga ganong na trades. May nakita akong video mo sa FYP ko sa YT ng skater ka pa, galing mo. Oh, wow. Thank you so much, Mark. Yeah, I've been skating for 10 years, I believe, or 8, 9 before I stopped. It's the career I wanted in the past, but it doesn't pay the bill. So I have to pivot. As I grow older, I realize because wait lang, kainin ko lang 'to. So, as I was saying, I used to skate a lot for a decade, but it doesn't pay the bill. Kasi hindi ako, I think I'm not skilled enough to get paid. Um, so yeah, I had to pivot. Nagkaroon ako ng injury sa tuhod ko. I had ACL and then yeah, while doing the surgery, while doing therapy, I was already getting interested with the trading and starting studying ICT. So, nung time na magaling na yung tuhod ko, I can go back to skating. I wasn't really interested as much as I do in the past, and mas passionate ako right now with the market and how in making money in general. Yeah, just I wanted to change my life bloodline, yung legacy sa family. I want to be the richest person in the family. So, yung buong wealth ng buong angkan ko is ma-achieve ko in, I don't know, in the next 5 years. So, yeah, gusto ko mag-create ng generational wealth. And I've been a poor man. I've been a average man. And I would want to be an average man or rich man. For sure. Kasi nung nag-skate ako, very tipid. Very tipid nung time na nag-skate ako. Nag-hitch kami sa mga bus, sa mga truck. Let's say meron kaming competition like Pangasinan, Bataan. We would go there like sasakyan namin, truck. Makikisakay lang kami. Punta kami ng terminal, tas hitch lang kami ng ganyan, no? Tas meron lang kami mga baon. Like mga century, mga tubig, ganun. Then yeah, fun times, solid times. Lalagyan kita ng phone, nahiram ako magtagel. I think nahirapan ka magtagel. Yeah, you need extra for my face. You need extra for my face. Okay, guys, market is about to open in 6 minutes. Let's just go into regular trading hour gap. Oh, regular trading hour gap. 5-1 opening gap high, I think. Opening gap high. Okay, we have gap to the upside, chat. We have gap to the upside. Okay, we have here. Nasdaq opening gap high. Okay. Okay, meron tayong gap here. Honestly, chat, I think this area is interesting to me. I might take a long here. Might take a long at this level. And see how it moves. Ilang points to? 20. I will take this long. To try kong ilong to, chat. It's either I will make money or I will lose a lot of money on this trade. I think I will also take it sa mga new PA accounts. New PA accounts, chat. Medyo malaki yung exposure ko dito, but it's fine. Tatlong account. If I wanted to risk 2 contracts, so that is $600 risk. I think I'll go for 1-to-1 in this trade. All right, guys, the market is about to open in about 1 minute. I wish you all a good luck, chat. Good luck. Let us make some money. Let us make some money, money. Market is open. Market is open in about 21 seconds. 21 seconds, chat. We are opening in 20 seconds. I just need to check the ES and the Nasdaq. Okay, we are pushing higher. Not the initial reaction I wanted. Gusto ko sanang mag-ano muna siya, chat. Gusto ko muna sana siyang mag-push lower. I think that would be the most ideal case, but it happens, you know, it happens. Sometimes it is what it is. You don't get what you want. Sometimes you don't get what you want, chat. You do not get what you want. Right? You do not get what you want, chat. That is unfortunate. That is unfortunate. Wala. That was a big candle. 50 points candle. Market is open. Market is open. Di ko pa na patunog. Good luck to you all. Good luck to you all. And I wish you all the best, guys. Maraming stars to gain. Na-hit na, guys, yung opening gap high with the ES right now. The Nasdaq. Na-hit yung opening gap high. Do we have end-dog? Or at least buy side? Na-hit na yung buy side on the Nasdaq. Okay, we're dropping lower. Take this. So I will still place this trade. We are inside 930 FVG. Open account for payout. Still gonna take this trade, chat. I'm still gonna take this trade. Okay, I still have it. Still have it, chat. Still have it. Uy, may alert, may alert. Ano yun? USD CAD. But let's focus on this trade and see if we can make some money on this. Kahit 20 points lang. You know. We'll see what happened here. We have the 930 first for value gap inverse. We will find out. We will find out. Tagal, ayaw. Ayaw, Lods. Ayaw akong ma-feel. Ayaw i-feel ang entry ko. Chat. We have an SMT with the Nasdaq and the ES again. We had an SMT again. The 1 minute time frame. We had an SMT again. Inverse yung 930 for value gap on the Nasdaq, on ES as well. Just watching, focusing on trade right now, not focusing on the chat. So if meron kayong chat, sorry I can't see it. Just gonna make my 20 points here and I'll be out. $20 and I'll be out. Uy. Okay, sa limit. Okay, 350K. 20 points as well. Konti na lang, chat. Konti na lang. Oh no. No, Nasdaq, don't do this. Go push. No. Guys, konti na lang yon. That was like 2 points away. No, I don't like this. Initial reaction is always like important. So, we'll see. We will see. That is important. Initial reaction is important, chat. Initial reaction is so important. Just 20 points trade, 1:1. I think this is still going to go higher. So, just going to hold on it and see what it can be done. That's not good. Initial reaction is important. I can get that 10 points, but just, you know, just letting it ride. Just letting it ride, chat. No. No, that's not good. Pwedeng ma-hit ng one more time ito. Pwedeng ma-hit siya ng one more time, then might be time to fly higher, but we'll find out. We will find out. Initial reaction is important. This might be my one and done trade today. One and done trade today. All right, there we go. Almost there. Push it. Konti na lang, Nas. Oh my God, bro. Holy crap. What the fuck are you doing, Nasdaq? What the fuck are you? Oh, all right. There you go. I'm gonna close all the trades. Okay, that was good, chat. W in the chat. W in the chat. If you like that trade, you know, type W. We are winning. We are winning. Oh my God, chat. Oh my God. We are winning. We are winning. Winning crew. Woo! I am up 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, and then 700, 700, 700. So, just do the math. Kayo na ang balang mag-compute. But that was the win for today, chat. That was good. That felt good. Even though medyo nagtagal siya ng konti, I think we're still gonna push back papunta dito sa level na to, or even just this high, or 550. I think we're gonna go above, you know. But we'll find out. We will see, chat. We will see. Okay? We will see. We will see, chat. We will see. Do, 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 do. What do I do? Do I just like, you know, do I go now? Do I go now, or do I keep trading? What do you chat think? All right. There's the retracement, I guess. The ES at this point is trading at this 934 value gap, right? Na feel itong BPR ni ES after we took out the opening range gap. So, yeah, what can I say? What can I say? Do 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 do. Do, do. There you go. We still dump. 20 points lang kinuha ko doon. But, yeah. We still dump. Hmm. What's gonna happen next? What's gonna happen next? We took out the buy side. We had an SMTA at the highs. Do. We're still going, chat. We're still going. I think this has the potential to run high again. If ma-invert ito, I think if we invert this, we might shoot higher. Problem ko is wala na akong account to trade. Don't have any accounts to trade with. I guess I can trade this again. Do, do. Do, 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 do. Ginagawa ni ES. ES needs to push higher. Wow, bro, it's still going. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Grabe, no? Na-invert. Na-invert and it pushes higher. Okay, okay, okay. Hindi ako nakapag-enter doon. That was too fast. That was too fast, chat. That was too fast for me. Napakabilis nun, grabe. Napakabilis, pero solid, di ba? Na-invert. I said, if we invert this, we might just pump way too high. Pwede pa to, high of day in my opinion. It's just that at this point, reasonable risk, wala na akong makita. Yeah, that FVG, before the market even opened, nag-ano siya sa akin, nag-stock siya sa utak ko na, uy, nakita ko to ah. Di ako nagdalawang isip, I took it. Even though we had that Judah swing, I think this was the Judah, to be honest, itong drop down. Solid oh, solid yung push higher. God dang it, wow. What the frick? That was insane. That was insane move. I wish nakapag-long ako doon. Wasn't able to long on that one. Dito, kahit dito lang yung target. Stop loss is below this 1 minute FVG again. That was fast. Mag 1 minute ako sa mga trade mo. Go boss, baka ma-flip. Nice, GG chat, GG. Recently, my best trades are from market open. Napansin ko yung mga best trades ko are from market open. Just amazing. My best trades are from the market open. Chat, alis ako maya-maya, but I will let the stream play. Okay, hayaan ko lang yung stream. I still have 3 accounts to trade right now. Actually, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have another FVG here. We might just shoot up higher. We might not. I don't know. But all I know is we are green. We are green. We are green. Just taking the basics. Just taking the basics, guys. I'm just taking the basics so far. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, this is amazing. W. Nagiging ano ako, guys, conservative ako right now. I am being conservative. Kung napansin nyo, lately, in the past 2 days, micro lang yung tinitrade ko. I've been trading just micros. Yesterday was 167 day and today was $200 day. So just taking those basic, really. Not being greedy, ensuring that I'll get those payouts. Payouts. Think, guys, we might go to this weekly FVG midpoint or even this high. But for now, I will just be sitting on the sideline. I wish really talaga nakapag-enter ako at this level. If nakapag-enter ako at this level, I would just put my profit here, not even this high. If dito ako nag-enter, my stop is gonna be here. This is 1:2. Aid Mitch. Present. Nice. Bro, laking tulong mo sa pag-aral ko. Thanks. You're welcome. Sound trip lang kami sa live mo. Yeah. I'll put the music later on. Chat. Don't worry. Bago ako umalis. But, yeah. Just taking those basic trade, baby. Get those trading days up and running. Wait, tingin tayo ng ibang pair. Like, holy cow. I think it was USD CAD yata, kung di ako nagkakamali. That hits my POI. Na-hit yung OB na gusto ko with the USD CAD. I think this is a long, chat. I think this is a long on USD CAD. Gusto ko siyang i-take sa personal account ko, but my concern is it's gonna be news event in 10 o'clock. So, might not be the best idea, but we'll see. We'll see. USD CAD. USD CAD. USD CAD sa 1 hour. Ang gusto kong mag-take ng longs. In ending. Stop loss, entry. Let's say I want to risk on this trade like around $50. Then my entry is here. They take profit is gonna be there. I'm so concerned ko guys. News event na in 2 minutes. I don't want to risk it. Dapat yata maganda naka 1 minute ako. Totally up to you. Nagtitrain ba kayo ng euro na pair? Yeah, I do. Wow, chat. Holy cow. Look at it. Look at the NQ. I feel like yesterday and today, both ng entry ko was the low of the day. If you think about it, yung mga entries ko from yesterday and today were the lows. Exactly. And I was just getting those 20 points. It's just insane. I did say na if we flip this, we might have this push. But look, I did not expect this much or such aggressive push. We have news. Actually, yung news pala in 10 minutes pa. So, hindi pala 2. Akala ko 9:50 na kanina. What do we have here on the EU? Chat yung EU pala. Look at the EU. Naglagay ako ng alert at this level, right? Hindi na hit by few ticks. But look at the reaction so far. Look at the reaction after that bullish movement at the 9:30 open. Nag-dump yung market. This was the alert na gusto ko mag-short with the EU. And I said, we might just pump from this level. Pero gusto ko ng SMT. Without SMT, actually merong SMT with the dollar. And I want SMT here. Ayokong ma-break itong high na to. Out na ako bukas ulit. Hindi na ako mag-overtrade. Alright, Yuki. GG. Well played. Ano po news ngayon? Today is gonna be Jolt's opening. Jolt's job opening. It's gonna be Jolt's job opening. Okay, we are flipping down again. Going back into this 5 minutes for value gap. Oh, wow. Grabe yun ah. Grabe yung candle na yun, chat, sa MNQ. Bakit ganon? Bakit ganon yung candle na yun? Ang pangit ng candle na yun sa MNQ. Nasa MNQ ako, look at this candle. Diba? Compare mo siya sa NQ. That's weird. That was weird candle from MNQ. Do. Not trading at the moment, chat. I'm not gonna trade. Meron akong kailangan i-attend na call. So, I'll be out at 10, but I will keep the stream open. If you want to stay, stay. Matanong lang, coach. Ano yung SMT? It's a divergence between two assets. So, for example, ES and NQ, they should be moving at the same pace, di ba? Dapat yung NQ and ES, pareho sila ng movement. But if you look at the 1 hour, makikita mo itong NQ na take out niya na yung previous day high if the ES does not yet take the previous day high. So we can see na merong SMT at this level. So there's a crack and correlation in the market right now. This doesn't mean immediate reversal. Kung ano yung market na nag-fail mag-create ng higher high, in this case, ES, it means mas weaker itong asset na to right now. If we are short bias, mas magandang i-short si ES because of this 1 hour SMT. But SMT does not mean immediate reversal. It's just added confluence. Especially if you are trading against the order flow, it's not ideal to just look for SMT, right? Sometimes meron din mga SMT at lower time frame. For example, at this level. So, if we look at this high, and this high, ito yung high na to and ito. So, makita mo, hindi siya nag-create ng another high. This is another SMT. Diba? So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng SMT divergence. For me, it's a big in my trading. Added confluence ko siya for my trading. So, yeah. What can I say? Ay, pumunta. Ay, kawawa. Hindi, may ginagawa ko. Ano platform gamit mo? I use Tradebait with Apex. In terms of my personal account, you can check the link. I use IC Markets. IC Market on personal account. And if you want to support my channel, you can sign up using that link down below in the description. As you can see, di ba? May SMT. May SMT tayo here. Meron tayong SMT here. What can we see? ES mas weaker siya on the downside. While on Nasdaq, nagpupush pa rin siya higher. So, merong crack and correlation, and usually this crack and correlation indicates there's a significant movement in the market. If I am bearish, of course, but right now I am bullish, right? Kung bullish ako sa market, then there's no reason for me to look for bearish SMT. So, as you can see, meron din tayong bullish SMT down below. ES, nag-form siya ng lower low. Nasdaq did not. So, what do we have here? Bullish SMT on 1 minute. Ibig sabihin nito, mas malakas si Nasdaq sa higher side. Nag-create siya ng higher low. Higher high, higher low. And pushing higher. But, again, we have to know the context of the market. Right now, meron tayong news na lalabas in 5 minutes. So, we have to factor that as well. I think everyone right now is just sitting on their hands, waiting kung ano ba yung magiging outcome ng news. Platform for charting, I use TradingView. Eto, TradingView to. I use TradingView, guys. I think most people do. Right? Most people do. TradingView. I don't think meron pang ibang platform na maganda to... Four minutes, guys, and I have to leave you guys. News event. I wish I held, no? I really wish I did held. Like, static na yung mga account ko. There's no reason to just go for those basic. I wish I held those trades. We are breaking higher, so we might just pop higher kapag lumabas yung news event. I don't know. We will find out. We will soon find out, chat. From what it looks like, mukhang mag-shoot lang to higher, to be honest. Expand tayo higher. TY sa tip. You're welcome. What's up, chomp? What's up? What's up? Meron pa tayong, keep in mind guys, we still have this 1 hour FVG below na hindi pa binabalikan ng market. Pwedeng balikan ng market yan before it pushes another leg higher. But anything can happen during news event. So, anything can happen during news event. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Moment of truth, 1 minute. It's also a moment of truth that I have to go. Alright, chat, I have to go now. I am back, chat. Sino ba nandito? Who is still here, chat? Are you still here? Let me know. Type 1 in the chat if you are still here and like the stream. Ano? Tapos na ako sa meeting ko. Di pa ako tapos mag-stream. Bakit? Okay, chat. As you can see, we have this. Washa ko. Kawawa yung dog ko. Nice, nice. I am back, chat. I am back. What do we have? What do we have here? So, ang nangyari after the market news is nag-pump lang yung market. Like, we hit this 2 standard deviation. I'm not sure if this is the high of the day. But right now, the market is a bit slow, I would say. But it's still pretty much bullish. So, so far on point yung bias ko. The only thing is, I would want to go long right now sa YM. YM has a better structure. Kung titignan nyo dito guys, we hit this 1 hour for value gap. I think on the YM, this is just lagging. I think sa daily time frame ni YM, really aabot tayo dito sa previous week high niya. I think YM has the potential to explode today. If we look at this daily for value gap, ang dami rejection na nangyayari dito. Compare here, nakakaroon tayo ng closure above the bearish for value gap. So I think for the rest of the week, you know, I'm bullish on the YM really compared to other markets, especially like we form a swing low at this level. Nag-form tayo ng swing low at this level. I think weekly expansion is gonna go up here. So that's your trade idea for this week, chat. I think YM is a good buy right now. It just need a discount level. I was not able to participate in this. I was not in, but yeah, I'm hoping na kaya kong mag-enter actually dito sa 5 minutes FVG sana. But so far, there are a lot of BPR na pwedeng hindi nabalikan ng market itong 5 minutes FVG just like yesterday. But really, mas prefer ko balikan niya sana itong 5 minutes for value gap before another leg higher. So, consolidation pa sana, then drop lower, then push higher. That's what I was thinking. If anything, you know, I have to, let's say I will place my buy limit here. Let's say ang lagay tayo ng RR tool. Let's say I will place my buy here, stop ko is below this low. Ilang percent risk to? Create limit order. On 3 contracts, that would be $300 risk. Right, 151:2. Ganito. Something like this is what I want. But I think really guys, abot to ng Thursday. Hindi ko alam kung today, but I think pwedeng umabot to hanggang 3 standard deviation ng Asian session. Yeah, so we'll find out kung bibigyan ng opportunity to enter on this trade. I want this level kung sakali. And yeah, this is gonna be a good trade if ever. So we will see guys. We'll see. Thank you for staying, guys. Thank you for staying. I appreciate you all. Pinost ko na yung music ko, right? Alright. How are you guys? Did you find the market easy to read today? Nag-profit ba kayo today? Are you guys green? Are you guys red? Kuha tayo ng purple. Green or red? Maganda yung time frame alignment ni YM. So I'm just waiting for a discount really. But you know what? We might not get that discount level anymore. Kasi meron tayong BPR at this level. So, I don't know. IFVG, consolidation. So, we might not get that retracement back into this 5 minutes FVG. Did we have retracement in 15? So Yeah, wala din. Pero we might form a 15 minutes per value gap right here. Just being patient, guys. I don't think I will take a trade na hindi na outside from YM. Right now, Nasdaq feels like on top already. Ang bagal ng movement ni Nasdaq and ES, I would rather wait for the YM to go back into discount. Baka umabot siya sa 15 minutes for value gap. Right? And then another leg higher. We are closing above on ES sa previous day high. So, yeah, nothing crazy really. Just waiting for that retracement kay YM. I might not be able to jump in here. So 1 minute respected ang mga PD arrays. We can see na karoon ng breaker, right? Merong unicorn model dito kay YM. Unicorn model and then the price keeps going higher. Then nag-retrace tayo sa 5 minutes IFVG and then another leg higher. So I don't know, guys. We might not get the retracement that I wanted, but we will soon find out. We will soon find out. Right now, it's already at, I would say, a bit premium, kaya hindi ako ganun ka-comfortable to take longs here. But a lot of room to the upside for sure. Di ko alam if meron tayong news like later on, but I'm still gonna take this trade if ever. Our love, our love. MQ is just so slow right now, chat. So slow. Nasa ano tayo? Big gold consolidation. Big gold consolidation. Our love. Our love. Oh, what a day. What a day, man. Malapit na tayo sa macro, guys. Think macro will be my last trade of the day. Not looking for short, like I said, I'm looking for longs. I would prefer longs. Gusto kong ilong si YM, but I need to see it trade the discount. Meron din tayong ano dito. Ano kasi tawag dito? Mitigation block. Wow, 100% green. Well, dalawa na lang yung nanonood sa inyo. Or dalawa lang yung nag-vote. 100% green ang chat. Gusto mo na bumaba? Gusto mo na bumaba? Baba ka na ba? Wait ka sa akin. Baba na ikaw. Dali. Oh man, this is so boring. Boring, chat. This is boring. By the way, chat, nag-activate ako ng new 250k, right? Nag-activate ako ng new 250k. Then, meron akong 6 na reserve. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 reserve. Ilan yung funded account ko? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, technically, guys, if I activate this 50k accounts,
Then, pwede akong chat, pwede akong magkaroon ng 20 accounts right now. If I-activate ko lahat ng to, I can have 20 accounts. But, meron akong mga 250k na eval na gusto kong ipasa sa NFP. If I pass these accounts on NFP, then mas uunahin kong i-activate ng mga to. Gusto kong magkaroon ng 10 250k account, then see if I can trade them, and see if I can make a lot on these accounts. 3.5 ang maximum payout kada isa. Imagine 3.5 times 10. Ooh, I'm rich. 35k. 35k per payout. I-trade ko sila conservatively. I've learned my lesson. Do not, don't try to size aggressively. You will get burned. Samji 20 accounts. Lol. It's nothing to celebrate. 20 account is nothing to celebrate. I think having 20 accounts on payout at the same time is a flex. Kung nagtitrade ka ng 20 account and then wala kang tilt days, tapos na-manage mo magkaroon ng payout sa lahat ng account at the same time, that's the real flex. Yun yung real flex, guys. Real flex. I will retire. Do. Oh no. The market is pumping without me, chat. The market is pumping without me. This is unfortunate. This is unfortunate. I wish, I wish I was able to take advantage of this long. It is what it is. I guess. I think, guys, we are gonna go previous week high on this trade. If sana ma-feel ako dito. Previous week high is the target. Within 2 years, naka 20 account now, plus personal. Let's go. Yeah, just take your time. No need to rush. I mean, who knows, di ba? After 2 years, baka hindi na allowed ng 20 accounts. There's so many things changing in the industry right now, especially Apex going people into live. Hindi ko alam if allow pang 20 accounts in the future. Sarap ng long ngayon sa personal sulit. Yeah. It's crazy because just like yesterday, yung low of the day, na-catch ko, right? Nag-weak lang siya dito, but look at this. Same thing yesterday. Like, market moves 200 points from my entry, but I took profit too early. But yeah, I've been reading this market really well, just fumble the bag really hard, I would say. Fumble the bag really hard, I would say. That's the thing. Do. It is macro time. Macro time. Choo, 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 choo. Choo, 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 choo. Sa mga nilagyan ko ng alerts kanina, guys. Excuse me, sorry. Um, so far, nilagyan ko ng alerts ang... Nilagyan ko ba ng alerts ang gold? I don't think so. Nilagyan ko ng alert ang EU. Ito yung alert ko earlier was on 15 minutes. This was at the time na wala pa tong candle. Na-hit tong high, was looking for SMT then push lower. Hindi na-hit yung alert ko by very few ticks. This was a good short in my opinion. Hindi na alert to, hindi na hit to. Even if na-hit siya, wala akong position dyan, wala akong limit. But it's just nice to read those. Nag-drop yung market, now we're pushing back higher. I said on the GU, may SMT, right? I hope we form an SMT here. If we form, we might drop. But then, nag-reverse na yung market. And if we had a closure above this level, I think we're gonna go this highs. Bullish pa din kasi itong GBP USD guys, bullish pa din to. So, we might push higher from here. Right? Baka dito sa FVG na to, we might push higher. The only concern I have right now on this potential push higher is that tapos na yung New York session on Forex side. So, I'll be very careful executing this trade idea. Going higher. So, GBP is stronger. AUD is weaker. GBP, AUD. Oh, wow, wait. Consolidation manipulation. Is this distribution? Ito nga, VG na to, di ko alam if valid to. I would not consider this valid kasi if you look at the AUD futures, wala naman siyang for value gap. So, I'm a bit, torn dito sa FVG ng daily time frame. I think this is because, that for value gap, guys, that for value gap, wala dito sa futures kasi walang Monday ang futures. I think it was because of holiday, so walang daily candle ng Monday. Ang futures, unlike sa Forex side, meron tayo. So, meron tayong daily bearish for value gap. Nagkaroon ng consolidation. Then pump. USD JPY no, guys. Sabi ko dito magandang short to kasi mas weaker siya. Pero right now, option ng 0.7%. I think if we're going short here, I think this is a good idea. Just put your stop. I think malayo. Layuan mo na lang yung stop if you're gonna go short here. Especially mamaya, Asian session. I think this is good, to be honest. I might take this on personal account. Kaso di ako sure if allowed ba na mag-hold lang over the weekend ang personal account ko. IC market, IC market, IC market. Mag-short ako dito, guys. Hold ko siya overnight. Stop loss is gonna be short. Risk ko dito, $50. And, yep. I guess that was it. 0.3? What the fuck? Lot size is this? This is crazy. Yeah, I'll give you $100 risk. No problem, no problem. Trade. Okay, chat. I have this. Trade. $100 risk. $100 risk. Hold ko to hanggang dito. Yan. Let's see. Hindi mag-ano to. Hindi magbibigay ng result today. So, we'll get back to it. $100 risk. Let's see if this plays out or not. Okay, what do we have here? Grabe guys, grabe. Grabe ang Nasdaq, grabe ang ES, grabe ang YM. They're just pushing higher with no retracements. Check gold, ganda ng AMD. Wait lang, check ko yan para sa'yo. Honestly, chat, I'm done for the day. Nag-ano na lang ako for tomorrow, game plan for tomorrow. Ano ba intraday nitong gold? Ito yung sabi ko, bullish ako kay gold. If tinake ko tong trade na to, I was gonna get wrecked, chat. If tinake ko yung trade, I will get wrecked. But yeah. Invert to during 9:30, then followed by continuation. Meron tayong daily. Wala pang FVG dito. Honestly, I don't know what's gold gonna do. Kapon sobrang lakas ni gold and silver. Silver was up 5% yesterday, chat. For context, up ng 5% si silver yesterday. And now, this is still bullish. Mas bullish si silver kaysa kay gold. As far as today, chat, scalping wise, I'm not going to be taking any trades. Not gonna be taking any trades anymore. So, I might just call it a day here. Currently, up ako ng 200 times 7, 1, 4, 7 times 3, 2, 1, 1, 4 times 2, 1, 3, 6. Up ako ng 3, 6 so far. I know I could have done better, but it is what it is. Can't catch everything. Just focusing on the basic right now and, trying to get those daily consistency para din ma-avoid yung tilt. Especially, I'm trading my 7 accounts na lahat ng to are due for payout. So, there's no room for me on tilt. There's no room for me to tilt sa lahat ng account na to because, it can get ugly easily just like that kapag nag-tilt ako. So, yeah, chat. I will end my day here. If you want to subscribe, do it. If you want to like, do it. That supports my channel. And if you're going to create a personal account, there's a link down below in the description using IC Market. So far, super smooth ng experience ko. Like raw spread, fast withdrawal, and yeah, your prop firm naman, if you're planning to trade, I use Apex. If you want to use Apex as well, merong $100 activation fee sa mga account and 71% off. So, yeah, chat, W sa inyo. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you again tomorrow, same time, 9 o'clock, okay? Medyo maaga yung end ng stream ko today. For some reason, pagod ako. And, yeah, I need to take a nap before I start doing stupid things. Especially, I'm not planning on taking any trades at this level. So, GG sa inyo guys. Looking forward seeing you again tomorrow. Same time. This is annoying, guys. This is annoying. You can see that the YM just push higher. I think, guys, abot to hanggang previous week high. Sa totoo lang, which is here. It's just unfortunate na I was not able to enter at this 1 hour FVG. I think there's this continuation up to previous week high. So yeah, chat, that's it for me. Thank you so much and be patient, be smart on your trades, and sayonara. Bye-bye.